Welcome to SED 391, Current Laws and Initiatives. In this video, we will be covering the key assignments for SED 391. Since SED 391 is a 2-hour class, there are less key assignments that comprise this class. The first key assignment is the essential application for SED 391, which is the IEP application and is worth 40% of your grade. The IEP application is broken down into two portions. The first portion is the individual portion. You will receive a case study about a learner with a lot of information in it for you to make decisions based off of the information to write an actual individualized education plan for this case study learner. You will be writing the individual portion on your own, and that is where you will complete the actual IEP annual review paperwork by yourself. The group portion will be determining eligibility for the student that you are receiving in your case study. So you will be going over the documentation of evaluation results and determining eligibility, and then writing a PLAF. The group portion of this project will happen in class on a Tuesday night, and you will work collaboratively in breakout rooms to complete the group portion of this paperwork. The next key assignment are quizzes. There are 5 quizzes in SED 391 that cover different pieces of current laws and initiatives. You will be given the quizzes and the material in order to access the quizzes all at once so that you can complete them somewhat at your own leisure. There will be due dates. Quizzes will be clustered so that there will be due dates. So for example, quizzes 1 and 2 will be due at a certain time, then quizzes 3 and 4 will be due at a certain time, and then quiz 5 will be due at a certain time. You are more than welcome to get all of the quizzes done at one time if you'd like, because they will be open all together. Or you can work, at your own pace and have the first 2 submitted by the time they're due, then work on the next 2, then work on the next 1. There are prerequisite videos as well as readings that you will have to watch or read prior to being able to access the quiz. The 6th piece of this 30% portion of your 391 grade will be attending an IEP meeting. You can attend an IEP meeting for any learner that is in your classroom. And if that is something that is not possible legally with either your district or your cooperative, or parents are not okay with that, then we can come up with an alternative assignment for you. The last piece of key assignments for SED 391 are module activities. As stated in the 390 video and the 392 video, there are module activities that will pertain to each course. And so the weeks that the module activities pertain to something with SED 391, then we will be putting those module activity grades into SED 391. Module activities are completed in class, most of the time collaboratively in groups, and they will cover topics that we are talking about in class that day. If you have any questions about this video or anything that I stated in regards to SED 391, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much for your time and attention.